This is a little experiment I'm trying out. I got a cable running out to the window, spliced it with a splicer. It's a three-way splicer, but I checked it out and it works fine with the SWR. This little radio with that little box here. This one here, SWR is off completely because this little box fucked. Pardon my French. I brought my other radio in. The Cobra LTD 29 Classic. That radio. I took the antenna that's outside my old one. The Tram 300 watt. Hooked it to the car. Hooked it to this radio. Got the SWR flat as can be. And I tried using that little gadget and into the car. It read fine. Bring it in the house. Hooked it to this radio. It goes haywire. Hooked it to this radio, went haywire, but when I disconnected it, that little box here, this SWR meter, the antenna was reading, the antenna light was reading. So, I do believe this box is, I don't know what's wrong with it. But anyway, I went for a drive, and I was hit about 3 or 4 miles, then I lost the signal for a radio test. Well, there's the cable coming out. I checked, it's not getting pinched at all from the window. Run it up, go down, and that's no satellite handle, and there should be up there my old Tram antenna. It needs to be higher. It's only 300 watt, but I need to get a better radio for in the house. That one there, I think it's screwed. But there it is. That's the back of the satellite I used. And it's magnet mount. And it goes up far as there. Imagine the metal shielding in the house is not helping out either. But there it is. If I can rig it away to see I ground it. In case electric shot, I ground the cable right down there. Let's ground it. So, here's the backing of the satellite dish. It's a no shawl, star choice, whatever you call it. That's what I use for the base. But there it is. That's all angle iron. If I can get it higher, I got another piece I'm going to try to get it higher. I'm going to have to bring this out further if I can. Extend it out. Weld the piece on and extend it out. So I won't hit that. Might be able to pass that. Just past the roof, another piece. I got another piece down there. I want to connect it to this and go there. Anyway, work in progress.